Tanzania is in the second phase of a major overhaul of its aging transport infrastructure. As part of the project, the government is developing a high-speed railway line to replace the current one, which was built over a century ago. The line will connect the port of Dar es Salaam to the capital Dodoma. From there, it's planned to extend further west, linking neighbours Burundi, Rwanda and Uganda, and eventually linking up with other East African lines spreading from the Kenyan ports of Mombasa and Lamu across to Uganda and South Sudan, and then also into the DRC. Well, at nearly $2 billion, it's the biggest infrastructure project in the country. But what are the benefits? Sami Awami reports.
Strengthening the foundation of the grand project. Bridges and pillars are being put in place for a $1 billion railway line that will stretch from the Dar es Salaam port to the capital city of Dodoma, and in future to the neighboring countries such as Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda and DR Congo. It's going to replace a century-old colonial train which takes at least 13 hours to get to Dodoma, whereas at a speed of 160 km per hour, the new train will take only 3 hours.
This new train will help the poor and small business people like me because we'll be able to transport more goods, and it will take us a short time to travel from one point to another.
It's the country's most ambitious infrastructure project yet.
The social and economic benefits for this new railway are very obvious, but politically, this is going to be the most important project for President Magufuli's administration, and he's determined to see it completed before the end of his term.
The Dar es Salaam Dodoma stretch is expected to be completed by October 2019, 1 year before the end of President John Magufuli's first term, and he's been promoting it.
Many countries in the world have failed. They borrow money and are given tough conditions. But we are going to build this railway for a price that is cheaper than expected.
At $1.9 billion US, this project will be the cheapest